Side hustles represent a path to bridge earnings gaps, encourage equity, and inspire the next generation of women to make a living. Currently, there are more opportunities for women wanting to start a lucrative side hustle and earn money. In this video, I will teach you about the highest paying side hustle for women today. Why is this still a secret? I will be revealing the top side hustles for women, ranging from remote work jobs, making specialty foods, sales representatives to gig economy staples that can add up to extra income. Now, every woman from working moms, stay-at-home moms to busy college students can enjoy economic advancement and new opportunities. It's not just about the standard career setup anymore either. Women are now looking for ways to make money on the side that complement their lifestyle and promote balance. The best side hustles are not only flexible and attainable for women of all backgrounds, but also worth the time and effort in terms of earnings. The good news is, you have lots of options. Whether you're looking for quick side hustles you can do while working a full-time job, raising kids, or working toward your degree, some of these ideas can make a part-time income, while others can make full-time money, even enough to replace a day job. Some of these side jobs you can do online, and others you can do offline. Here are some of the highest-paying side hustles for women today. Why is this still a secret? And good money-making ideas to try now. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to discover more on how to make money online. Here is the information needed to get you started. 1. Pet caretaking. This is one of the highest-paying side hustles for women today. Why is this still a secret? Not minding your location, people are willing to pay top dollar to get quality care for their pets. This could mean walking dogs, grooming and bathing, house-sitting while watching over animals, and any other situation requiring compassion and responsibility. Animal lovers, however, use this as a chance to spend time with furry friends while raking in some cash on the side. When pursuing this side hustle, make sure to clarify your abilities and limitations when it comes to working with animals, since the responsibility is serious. Set your prices and use networking to your advantage as you build a reputation. 2. Delivery and rideshare driving. Apps like Uber and Lyft remain some of the highest-paying side hustles for women to make money today. Why is this still a secret? Women who are comfortable behind the wheel can catch up the hours and earn extra income on weekends, evenings, and whenever they have free time. If you're not in the mood for driving other people, countless food delivery services follow a similar format and pay well. 3. Tutoring. As is one of the highest-paying side hustles for women today, why is this still a secret? If you're a teacher and you're thinking about a side hustle, tutoring would be a good fit for you. Starting a tutoring business is a great way for teachers and students to earn extra cash. It's easy to start, and you can offer tutoring on the weekend or after school, which every student will need to study for at some point or another. 4. Freelance copywriting and content writing. Freelance writing is one of the best side hustles for women, as you can work from home. All you need is your brain, a laptop, and a client to start. If you're a passionate writer by heart, brush up on your copywriting skills by watching YouTube videos by other successful copywriters. However, it is necessary to read blogs to help enhance your content writing skills. Perhaps with time your content will shine through, and you'll build your client base either through word of mouth or through referral. 5. Sales representative. Besides, companies need sellers to connect customers to their products, so step in as a representative and start closing some deals. Cosmetics, cutlery, and other household goods are the classics, but there are also software and high-ticket items to be sold. Get into sales in whichever niche you're passionate about. Most likely, there's a market waiting for you. Perhaps many women who have a social streak and strong communication skills are well suited for these roles. However, it's crucial to recognize that women are not limited in the modern sales world. While getting started as a sales rep can be intimidating, however, keep in mind that you can flourish in any field you put your mind to. If you put the effort in, you will be rewarded. The sales world is about a good representation of the brand, applying time-tested tactics, and enjoying the satisfaction and cash of sealing a deal. 6. Photography and Photoshop. This is one of the highest-paying side hustles for women today. Why is this still a secret? In the visually driven internet age, quality photos are at a premium. You can easily turn your photo hobby into a source of cash, selling snapshots online to stock image companies and content production firms. Perhaps you can sell portraits, landscapes, and everyday photos the market demands. Every photo you have seen on news and media sites was bought and sold at some point. 7. Virtual assistant jobs. Most women are good at multitasking, scheduling, time management, and all the other skills that are always in demand. As a virtual assistant, you can capitalize on these talents and team up with busy individuals as they navigate work and life. Perhaps virtual assistant jobs are highly customized, and they are determined by the person posting the role. You can be responsible for taking messages, scheduling meetings, making travel arrangements, shopping for gifts around the holiday season. You might not be paid much at first, but with time you can deliver a precious VA service that will earn you substantial amounts. 8. Makeup and beauty services. This is one of the highest paying side hustles for women today. Why is this still a secret? Everyone wants to look more attractive, as evidenced by the multi-billion-dollar beauty industry. If you enjoy making others look and feel their best, consider starting a makeup side business that involves a mix of consulting, direction, and direct assistance. With your knowledge and skills, you can help other women select the best products for their needs and make the most of each one. Moreover, you can also assist in creating new configurations and color schemes that help ladies stand out. Makeup is an art, and those who excel will surely get comfortable compensation. 9. Graphics and design. This is one of the highest paying side hustles for women today. Why is this still a secret? With so many small businesses springing up, there is a high demand for graphics and design services. Companies need logos, advertisements, and other design elements to put their business ideas forefront and center online. If you've mastered software like InDesign, Illustrator, and others, leverage those skills and create timeless designs that bring in profits for your clients. 10. Grocery shopping. This is one of the highest paying side hustles for women today. Why is this still a secret? Services like Instacart and GoPuff make it possible to earn money as a grocery shopper for customers on their apps. You get a list, procure the items, and get them ready for delivery. The quicker you shop, the more you earn. You can equally combine this with driving and delivering to be a full-service shopper. Doing this, you're more likely to receive tips and boost your hourly earnings. 11. Create and sell crafts. This is one of the highest paying side hustles for women today. Why is this still a secret? Calling all arts and crafts experts, it's time to cash in on your skills. Most websites like Etsy let you build an online store featuring your most fabulous crafty creations, from knitting and painting to custom pins and trinkets. However, there's no better feeling than creating something with your own two hands and converting it to cash online, than watching your reputation grow with 5-star reviews. If you're into art making anyway, you might as well put in a few extra hours and turn it into a perfect side hustle. 12. Fitness and weight loss coaching. The highest paying side hustle for women today. Why is this still a secret? Sometimes it just takes some accountability and advice to lose that weight once and for all. This means you can help people get healthy and fit while padding your pockets with side hustle cash as a woman. A full-fledged PT certification isn't necessary for this role, but it does help your credibility. The most compelling credential is your fitness success. It is necessary to document your weight loss journey and help others achieve the same. This is one easy way to break into the world of influencers. However, starting a YouTube channel in your spare time about fitness, or any niche you're passionate about, is not only a great way to improve your income stream, it's also a way to express yourself. Moreover, content creation has an insanely high earning potential. Passive income options like affiliate marketing can make these pursuits more lucrative than part-time jobs. Chase time. Flipping and reselling. The highest paying side hustle for women today. Why is this still a secret? Here's one for the moms out there who always seem to have extra stuff around the house. You can sell those toys, clothes, electronics, appliances, and other items online, and it's easier than you think. Don't just throw those things away and avoid the hassle of a yard sale. Build your brand as an online reseller, and you can end up with a bustling online business in no time. It's all about good presentation, customer service, and consistency. So get started now. 14. Social media management. The highest paying side hustle for women today. Why is this still a secret? For the fact that you spend too much time on social media? Perhaps you might as well make some money on Instagram or Facebook. Companies and individuals need their pages managed and are ready to pay you. It requires knowing the platforms, engaging with users, diffusing issues, uploading content, and more. These are skills that compound with time and can earn you considerable amounts of cash. Eventually, you may want to start a small social media marketing agency and launch a new career. That's the power of a web-based side hustle. The upside is unlimited. 15. Making specialty foods. The highest paying side hustle for women today. Why is this still a secret? All those tasty, small batch sauces, dressings, drinks, and baked goods you love to keep stocked. Those brands didn't just appear out of nowhere. Many of them were started by women just like you as a homemade kitchen side job. Perhaps you have a knockout homemade hot sauce. It could be that your homemade cookies are worth more than you think. However, people go wild for great food and are happy to support independent creators. So boost your output and go public with your creations. Check the playlist of my videos on how to make money online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.